Hi everyone, it's Burgess. Today I thought I'd paint using a new style. I'm still using the Hake brush, but you can use a flat brush, a round brush, or any brush that you have. But it's called the painterly style. Now, the painterly style, from what I understand, is a style in which when you paint using any medium, the strokes of the brush are fairly visible. So this is what I'm going to try and achieve here. So I'm wetting down the sky, not too much, and then I'm going to start off by putting some lemon yellow. There's the strokes there. That can put it here as well. And then we can put down various other colors. For example, we've got a green, different types of greens here. Take some of the color off. It up. Just keep layering colors. Then you want something quite strong. And then just keep darkening. Now what I want is, I'm going to bring it all the way down here as well. What I'm trying to make it look like is a sort of a forest. Sort of a forest along there. Bringing it down here. And this is the reflection. I want to make that darker still here. Let's just wet this as well. It's all green. It's very green. Make it darker still. You can see I'm working very quickly here. So let's call it fast and loose. That brush out. It's looking messy. And I still want that still darker. A deep green. We're going to use the going to use a liner or a rigger to put some dark branches in as well. Okay, and now, oh dear, it's not looking very nice, is it? Okay, just have a bit of fun, okay? Just a bit of fun. Oh dear, what I want to do is take some burnt sienna. A little bit more, maybe thicker, and we're going to add Payne's Grey to that. Out. Strokes or some grasses. What I also want to do is take a flat brush, and I wonder if I can lift anything here. A bit. What I want to do is take a small flat brush, a lot of yellow ochre, a little here and there, and a few rocks. But what I want maybe is to scrape them out. See what happens here with the scraping. Use a small side, and yeah. And we can put some back in. And we can do the same on this one. Start off with some yellow ochre. Burnt umber, and we can add some burnt sienna to that as well. And we take the brush of the card again, and again with the small side we can also just put some things back. And with this little one here, we can just a very minor adjustments in this one. Go in, and also with our hake we can sort of go in and what I want to do is needs to be a little bit darker, I think, some parts, and the area that I'm talking about is this. And what I want to do is rocks that are here. Go in and really dark. And now what I'm going to do is take the liner, and this is a Montmartre liner brush, and I'm going to try and put some let's see how good this liner brush is. Not a very good brush, is it?
Okay, not much else we can do with this actually.
So here's our painterly landscape. I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful. Do consider subscribing if you did, and please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, as all these actions do help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.